I have just released a new update with my Pocket Option Auto Trader, and on this one I have added my own strategy that I've used for many years that have been a secret. Now it's implemented in the bot and we're going to run it on Cardano, and I'll set a very high target. If you want this binder option robot yourself, you find a link below the video and you can get it completely for free. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update just like this one. Now, let's start out the bot and let's see how we do with this new amazing strategy.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah.
And there we have it. 2 trades, 2 winners, 100% win rate. So very good start with my new strategy I used very long time to implement into the bot. So now you also can use my secret strategy inside the bot. So if you want this binder option robot yourself, you find a link below the video and you also can get started today. Have an amazing day.